Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. In the Python series, today we are going to discuss about one of the very important topic called operations. Today we are going to discuss the arithmetic operators. Now we will discuss in detail what is meant by arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operator is nothing but it's a mathematical operations. What are the possible mathematical operations that we can do here? Now we will discuss in detail what are the mathematical operations. In general, we are having seven. In general, we are having seven mathematical operations. Now we will discuss seven mathematical operations in detail. The first one is addition. We all know the first one is addition. Addition operation is familiar to everyone. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is a addition operation. And the second one, it is a subtraction. It is a subtraction operation. Suppose the same 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And in programming language, the star indicates multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Suppose 2 into 3 equal to 6. In the programming language, the single line underline single slash equals to division. Division. For example, division is a we can consider as, suppose I will explain with one example how it can vary. Suppose my main motive is to 5 divided by 2. Now I need to do this. So for this I will do as 2, 5, 2.5, 5. Okay, this is what we will get. Okay, in normal this is what we will get. Now we will see what does the division will do. The division, remember carefully, the division operation will give this value. This is quotient. This quotient value will be given by the division. So remember carefully, it is a quotient value Q. So 5 slash 2 equals to 2.5. Then what does this double slash gives? Double slash give integer division. It is integer division. Okay, now we will see what is integer division. If I write like this, 5 double slash 2 equal to, what is quotient here? 2.5 as integer. So only write the integer value of it. It is 2. Okay, it is 2. So for normal division, we will write the coefficient directly like 2.5, but for the integer, we will consider only integer part of that coefficient. It is 2. Now what is this? Percentage symbol indicate modulus operation. Modulus. What is meant by modulus? Modulus is remainder. It is a remainder operation. Modulus is nothing but a remainder operation. Okay. Now we will see what is remainder. For the same example of 5 by 2, if I write like 2, 5, If I don't need to get 0 here, what I will do? 2 here 4. The remainder is 1. So this is so it will give the remainder for us. So it is called remainder. It is called quotient. Okay. So it will give the remainder for us. The here the remainder is 1. So 5 modulus 2 will produce a remainder of 1. Wonderful. And the last one and the last operation very important is exponential. And the exponential operation we'll discuss. Suppose if I write like 5 single star, double star, 2, it indicates 5. When this double star comes, it indicates it should be like 5 square. 5 square equals to 25. Okay, now I will make a partition like this for your simplification. Okay, so from here you can clearly see that the double star, the double star indicates 5 square equals to 25. Okay, now we will discuss in detail about how this it can be implemented practically in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, now this is our Jupyter interface, and we will use arithmetic operations here. Okay. Now the first one. So I will take the use of a input function and print function to beautifully execute these operations. Okay. The first one. Suppose A equal to int input, enter a value. Okay. Now I have entered a value as suppose 5. Now I will consider the second one as B. So B equals to int input, enter B value. If you enter the B value as 2, so now the A value is 5 and B value is 2. Now we will proceed with arithmetic operations. The first operation I will use is addition. For the addition operation, I will write as print A, comma, we need to do plus operation, comma, B, comma, comma, A plus B. Okay, if I execute this, here you can clearly see a wonderful format of the value of A is 5, it is executed with a plus 2 equal to 7. Okay, this is how you can formulate exactly and wonderfully by use of a print statements. Okay, now, now I will use the subtraction operation. Okay, so print same you don't do the you just need to do the same operation. So I will copy and I will paste it, and I will change just the signs a minus b, and also I will also here change the sign a minus b. Now I can get 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Wonderful. Now multiplication operation. For the multiplication operation, same I will copy and paste. Now we will see A star B, A star B. Now 5 is equal to 10. Wonderful. Now we need to proceed with three type of divisions. One is integer division, normal division, and modular division. Now I will proceed with normal division. For normal division, I will use A star A slash B, you get 2.5. If you observe carefully, I have told that if you use the single line, you will get the like 2.5. If you use a single slash, you will get like some fraction value also can be included. Okay. Now we will see integer division. For the integer division, I will use, see the, you can see the fundamental difference. Like for normal division you get 2.5, but for integer division you got only the integer part of the normal division 2. Okay, hopefully now you understand what I am explaining. Now we will proceed with modulus operation. So for modulus operation, we need percentage symbol. If I use the percentage symbol, I will get 1. I will explain why I will get 1. Why? Because this 1 is remainder. This is remainder. Okay. So this is the reason we will get as 1. And finally, we have left with only one operation, that is exponential operation. Now we'll proceed the same exponential operation which uses a double star. So a double star. Now you can clearly see, just it is like a 5 square. What is meant by 5 square? So 5 square equals to 25. Okay, so this is the reason we will get as 5 square equal to 25. Now we will implement everything in a line, so we'll get a wonderful picture how it is, how it can be represented using the print statement in a linear way. Okay, now I will rub this and we will proceed to the first one where, so I will give for empty row space you just use print command. Okay. Remember this carefully. You use like this. You will copy and I will paste the same for everything. Okay. So remember here. Now I will use like a minus b minus b. So I will execute like a star b. Here also I will execute like a star b. A division b. Here also I will use a division b. A double division equal to a double division. Now a modular operation, a modular operation. Now exponential, exponential. If I execute this, we will get a wonderful output. Now we will have a look at it. Okay, I will reduce my screen size. Okay. Now you can see interestingly that you get every operation in a line by line manner. So you can see the every operation in at a one view. So 5 plus 2 minus 2 into 2, normal division, integer division, modulus operation and exponential in a same manner. So if you, in order to print like this, you can like write a statement, give an empty print, it will print a empty line. This empty lines you are seeing, right? This is get by empty print statement. So this is how the arithmetic operations can be performed in the Python program. Okay. If you like the content, like my video, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.